Tell me honestly, do you think I should be the one to call Jason first since he collected my number he has called or sent even one message? Are you truly certain he's serious about you? Maybe it's better you wait for him to reach out first so you don't come across as too eager or desperate, okay? Thank God we finally made it back safe. I am completely worn out. All I want now is to fall straight into bed. You'll go bathe straight away, won't you? Is there any other choice? Of course I will. I absolutely cannot lie down to rest until I've washed off every bit of today's stress and dust.
Did you see exactly what I sent across to you just now?
No, not yet. I haven't checked anything you sent. I only just walked through the door and settled down now.
Oh, all right then. Take your time to rest, my love.
You mentioned sending something. What exactly did you send?
Yes, I sent something across. Just a little thoughtful gift. Nothing grand at all.
All right, let me look right now. Wait, what is this? 5 million naira? David, what is this money meant for? Is something wrong? Are you all right?
Everything is perfectly fine. I simply wanted you to have it. No strings attached. No special reason beyond making sure you're well taken care of.
Oh my God, David, this is too much. Truly far too kind. Wow, thank you, David. May God bless you abundantly. This is so incredibly thoughtful of you.
And by the way, it's quite late already. What kept you out until just now?
Actually, we ended up spending time at the police station earlier.
Police station? Wow, what on earth happened there? What was it all about?
Just a little misunderstanding on the road that got out of hand, and we ended up detained briefly. Truly nothing serious at all, just a small confusion that got blown out of proportion.
Wow. All right then. As long as you are safe and unharmed, that is all that truly matters to me.
Yes, truly I am completely well. And thank you once more for that gift. I cherish it deeply and appreciate your kindness more than I can say.
That settles it then. Rest well, my love. Good night and sweet dreams.
Good night to you too, my love. Sleep tight and rest well.
And after sweet dreams, what comes next?
I love you, David. Truly, deeply, I love you.
You absolutely should. And I love you just as much, even more every single day.
Tell me honestly, do you think I should be the one to call Jason first since he collected my number he has called or sent even one message? Are you truly certain he's serious about you? Maybe it's better you wait for him to reach out first so you don't come across as too eager or desperate, okay? Desperate or not, I don't care one bit. This one is going to work out, by all means necessary. If he's too slow to claim me, I'll just go ahead and claim him myself. You know, David sent me 5 million naira yesterday. Aww, that man loves you so much. I didn't expect it at all. He just said casually, I sent you a little something. Little something indeed. Hello? Jason, hello, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, hello. Who exactly am I speaking with, please?
It's me, Kelly. You know exactly who I am.
Oh, Kelly! Right, Danielle's friend.
It's just me, Kelly. How many girls named Kelly do you keep in your head exactly?
Ah, fair point, my bad. I kept your number stored safely on my other phone. That's why it slipped my mind for a moment. Anyway, how are you doing, Kelly?
I'm doing well, but tell me, you had my number all along, yet it never crossed your mind to ring me once?
Ah, that? I've been swamped with work and errands, honestly. My mind was so full, I truly didn't even remember until you called just now.
Really? Is that truly what you want me to believe?
Exactly. Trust me, if I'd given it a moment's thought, I absolutely would have reached out sooner.
So tell me, what exactly fills your mind day and night that I'm nowhere to be found inside it?
Okay, you've got me there. Anyway, truly hope you're doing well all the same.
Yes, I'm very well. Honestly, I was just sitting here thinking about you.
Really? You were thinking about little old me?
Yes, and let me say it plainly. I truly care about you. I was just over the moon. Honestly, you mean because of that 5 million naira he sent? Exactly now. Just like that, no long story. David is genuinely such a good man. Oh, you have no small blessing on your side, Daniel. You are truly lucky. Exactly why I must make Jason mine. I'm certain he'd treat me just as well. Send me whatever I need. Stand by me properly once we're together. All right then. But what about Keon? You don't have interest in him at all. Keon? You mean the tall guy with the long, neat braids? That's the one. Truth be told, sometimes it feels like I don't even get to pick freely. But Keon? He told me plainly, every house, every land, every business he claims belongs in his mother's name. Tell me now, what good is a man who owns nothing truly his own? How does that help me build what I want? He will just be stingy by nature. Any small thing you ask for, he'll run off to ask his mother for permission first. Isn't that exactly how that kind of setup always works? I can't handle that headache and stress at all, I beg. I'll keep my focus on Jason instead. Jason looks like the type who knows how to spoil a woman properly. Me, I'm chasing soft life only. I have zero energy left to go through suffering or struggle. Jason, you know I'm always here for you, right? Whenever you need someone to lean on or just someone to listen, call me straight away. Don't hold back at all, okay? I truly mean every word. You said you aren't feeling well. Since when did this start? Do you want me to come over right now and be with you? Danielle, Jason said he's under the weather and he told me to come straight over to his place. And are you going? Some questions you ask truly make me wonder, oh. What kind of question is, are you going? Have you forgotten everything I've been saying? This is exactly the opening I've been praying for. Are you not happy that soon I'll be with a wealthy man just like you? Fine then, if you see it that way, go on, enjoy yourself. Oh, I absolutely will. Jason is just unwell, yet you're packing nearly every outfit you own. Kelly, are you going to pay him a visit or are you planning to move straight in? Anything is possible now, oh. Suppose he looks at me and says, Kelly, please just stay here with me. Do you honestly believe I'd ever turn him down? If it's just one day of sickness, that's good enough. But if he needs me for a whole week, even better. I'll nurse him back to health properly with everything I've got. Hi, Jason. Here I am.
Hello, Kelly. You actually came all this way?
Of course I did. I meant every word I said about coming to look after you. How are you feeling at all? And wait, do you stay here all by yourself?
Not quite. I share this place with Keon.
I see. So you two are proper flatmates, or is he just crashing here while he sorts himself out now?
Kelly, no need to dig into every detail right now. You must be worn out from traveling such a long way.
Me? I'm tough as anything, very strong and full of energy. No tiredness here at all. So tell me straight, where exactly is my room going to be? Now that I'm finally here, this is my golden opportunity. Jason hasn't fully fallen for me yet, but that doesn't worry me one bit. I know exactly the right moves. Starting today, I turn on my best self mode fully, cook delicious meals, keep everything sparkling clean, speak softly and sweetly, total caring, devoted girlfriend package. I'll show him what proper home training and care really look like. By the time I'm done working my magic, he'll wonder how he ever lived without me and fall head over heels in love all on his own.
Hello, Kelly. Jason told me that you are around.
Oh, hello. Yes, I came by earlier this afternoon.
That's good to hear. How are you getting on so far?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking.
It's truly nice having you stay with us.
What exactly should I prepare for today? Plain rice is far too ordinary and simple. I need something rich, tasty, and special, something that clearly proves I know my way around a kitchen, and that I'm a proper home-trained woman who knows how to take good care of a man's house. Madam, please sell these fresh ingredients to me at a fair price.
Auntie, come follow me by the market. I promise to give you the best rate you'll find anywhere here.
That won't work for me, oh.
If you aren't ready to sell it straight at a reasonable price, just keep it. I'll go elsewhere. So you didn't even call me back to agree on something reasonable. Madam, truly, if I let it go for that price, I will run at total loss, no gain at all.
But come and see what you're asking is far too expensive, way above what this item is worth.
If you want cheaper rates, you'd have to go all the way to the mainland though. Remember clearly, this place is the island. Prices are different here.
Wow, you brought breakfast straight to bed?
I did, oh. I made this special meal just for you alone.
But wait, isn't pounded yam and rich stew a little too heavy for early morning? Hey.
Not at all. This is proper nourishment, exactly what a strong, hardworking man like you deserves, not just instant noodles every single day.
All right then. Thank you so much, Kelly. You bought all these ingredients and cooked this meal with your own money?
Yes, exactly.
There's no need for you to spend your own money like this, so. Anytime you feel like cooking something, just let me know. I'll give you whatever cash you need for it.
No need to worry yourself about that, oh. I know Jason will settle all these costs fully later on anyway. I just didn't want to bother him with small things while he's still recovering.
Oh, I see now.
Danielle, listen to me. This life isn't about making unnecessary noise or doing gra-gra or. Look at me now. I'm steadily pulling a wealthy man right into my corner without running myself ragged or stressing over nothing. Proper tactics work better than force, so don't worry yourself. Everything is falling into place exactly how I planned. But wait, Kelly, what if he already has a girlfriend somewhere? Have you even thought about that possibility? With the way I'm taking care of him properly, body and soul, I honestly don't believe he'll ever have a single spare thought, let alone time, to look at or think about any other woman besides me.